What's up, everybody? Good morning. So, I'm riding the Guerrilla 450 today, and he's my Changtang buddy. We did Changtang together, and his name is Anand. He owns 3 showrooms around here called as Rovers Motors. So, he was generous enough to give me this bike for a couple of hours and to ride with him. And we're going to a place called Kuttikanam. Yes, I've always wanted to go there, and this is the right moment. Let's go. Pum. Say hi though.
Hi.
Woo! Let's go. I don't even know if the time is right on this one, but yeah, it should be. It is 5 a.m. right now, and I have no clue how many kilometers we have from here. He's the one who's taking me, so I'm just going along with him. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. So we are in Alapi right now. Alapi, Alapura, whatever you want to call it. This road has become like so good. I remember this being very worst. Over the time, the stretch of road towards Changnasheri and Changnasheri to Alapura has become so good. Like, I remember this being the worst because of all the floods and everything. A little rain can, flood these places. So they have raised the road a bit and completely new tar and all that. It's quite nice. This stretch will take you like 20 minutes now. Finally, after that long stretch, we approach the end of this road. Oh yeah, the roads are getting really curvy right now. I think I can see a bit of fog around. I hope it doesn't rain because I'm already done. I got wet when I was coming to Alapi, and it was not a nice experience. It was a night ride as well. But looking at the sky, I think it's fairly cloudy. So I guess nonetheless it is going to rain. This was a very unexpected plan because I was in Trivandrum and I was open to riding, and then we connected, and then they're like, okay, come. I said, okay, cool, I'll come. One thing I can say is that this bike really handles well around the corners. Yeah, that's for sure. Oh my days, look at this. It's foggy all around here. What? I love fog. I think the Guerrilla 450 is a tiny bit peppier than the 450. This is like a very fun machine which you can take around the city, go on these morning rides. No off-roads on this thing because the suspension is not that good. Look at that. ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാനാ. Okay, now my setup feels a bit good because I changed my visor to the tinted visor. I don't know, I'm so comfortable with the tinted visor. Oh, it's so good. Oh my days, look at that. Oh, what time is it? Time is 6:24. So I think we have a couple more kilometers, maybe 20 or 25 if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure what's the plan once we go to Kuttikkanam. We'll probably just have breakfast and return. There's fog everywhere, man. Oh god. Beauty. Oh, I love it. Lovely. I didn't expect this much, to be honest. It's been a while since I saw any Kuttikkanam. Oh, I forgot the turning radius on this thing is like stupid. Let's go. I'm not really a fan of the handlebar position of this bike because I don't find it so comfortable. Oh god, that was an amazing view down there. Oh, I know this viewpoint. I've been here before. This exact spot, I've been here on my Himalayan. This is what I was talking about. This is the route that I had taken to Bangalore, Kuttikkanam, and then I stopped one of these places and then I took a photo, but there wasn't so much fog or anything. It was at noon. Oh god, this is pretty. Woo! This is fun to ride this bike. It's so fresh in the morning right now. I feel so good. It's giving me that I'm so ready for the day kind of vibe. But it's fun to ride this bike. It's so nimble that you can flick it around like this. Sometimes I'm just out of words. I don't even know what to say because I'm so indulged into this view and this moment that I wouldn't know what to say. We just had tea. Look at this. I've been here before, but I've never stopped like this, and I don't think I've seen this much water coming out of here as well. It's because of the rains and stuff. But yeah, I think we should have another 10 kilometers. As long as it's not too hot and we have this beautiful landscapes, I'm fine. I'm all good, I can ride. Reach Kuttikkanam. Alright, okay. Ever? Yeah, let's have breakfast. This doesn't look like it's functioning at the moment. Open or no? Ah, okay. Open on. I love the vibes. Crazy. Very aesthetic. Oh, look at this. Hand wash with a view. So this is Anand. Face reveal ho gaya. Look at these mountains. So beautiful, but it has changed throughout the day. I mean, in the morning it looked very different and beautiful, and right now it looks very different and it's beautiful. It's crazy how things change. Consider the mountain to be you, a person, and the weather that changes throughout the day as the problems a person faces, or the problems or the stuff that a person goes through. The weather is not constant. It's gonna change for sure. Sometimes it's gonna be longer, sometimes it's gonna be short, but eventually it's gonna go away and it's gonna keep changing. And that's amazing. And the mountain still stays the same. It's not running away. It stays there and takes everything in. And I head back home right now. Oh, wow. Yeah, so we're just gonna head back home right now, and I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.